Hi, I'm Angelika Blendstrup of Angelika Blendstrup and Associates. I'm here today to give you some tips how to say sounds my international clients have troubles pronouncing. The short "ah" sound causes a lot of problems because as far as I know, it's not in German, French, Spanish, Portuguese. Those are the languages I speak. So you have to be careful to say "ah" as in apple, manage, annual, demand, France, not France, France, draft. And here's a sentence to practice. Nathaniel asked, can Larry manage the annual task without his mask? If you want to learn more sounds, please go to udemy.com/accent reduction, where I have an accent reduction course, or to my YouTube channel, angelikablendstrup.com.
One question about